The post office scandal started as a computer issue and it became a really complicated legal issue. As it became clear that the lawyers were involved in using the information from that computer system and had used that information in ways that were either aggressive or improper, we started to delve into what the lawyers had actually done, and we discovered lots of problems in the way that they'd run the legal cases for the post office. And it's really that combination of technology, lawyering, and commercial reputation which is at the heart of the story. The main reason this work is unique is the story. It's an extraordinary story involving lawyers of all levels, senior and junior, across many, many years in different organisations. The real opportunity for the research is that we do bring that interdisciplinary lens. We're bringing psychology, sociology, ethics, law together to look at behaviours and rules and how they interact and relate to try to improve decision making. So that's the first time this kind of in-depth work has really been done on real cases. So the next stage of the project is causal mapping. We'll be working with real lawyers, giving them key segments of the post office scandal and saying, how would you take that decision? What influences you? To build up causal maps, to try to gain some insight into how lawyers think about these problems. And the third phase, which is probably a good year, 18 months away, is to do social behaviour analysis. And that's experimental social psychology in a way. It's looking at the implicit influences on lawyers' decision making. There are three areas of law that need a really good look. One is the criminal justice system, the other is rules of corporate governance, and the third is professional regulation and the way courts work. The scandal raises lots of problems with lawyer behaviours that I recognise from my previous research, so there's an opportunity to focus on those problems and look for solutions to make sure that they don't happen again. I hope the research will achieve two things. One is to get lawyers and the legal system really thinking about the problems that it faces and that it causes. The second thing I'd like it to achieve is we're working to develop a practically relevant approach to legal decision making, which will make ethical problems less likely to occur in the future.